How to cancel Kajabi subscription. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel Kajabi subscription. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, on your Kajabi dashboard, go to the settings option on the bottom left. Next, scroll down and find the subscription option. When you click on the subscription option, it will show you your billing and plan details. Now simply click on this change plan button. Then simply scroll down and click on this cancel subscription option. Of course, to stop you from canceling your subscription, Kajabi will mention all the features that's available on your current plan. Ignore all of this crap and click on this cancel subscription text. Next, Kajabi will try to persuade you with a hefty discount on your plan. But you need to ignore it and click on this cancel subscription text once again. And then again, you need to ignore all these crap and click on this continue to cancel button. Next, simply scroll down and click on this finish cancellation text. We are still not done yet. Kajabi is now asking the reason for cancellation. Of course, I can't say that I don't have enough money to pay. So I will simply select this option which says that I found a better tool, and then I will click on submit button. And finally, our Kajabi subscription is cancelled now. But wait, you'll now see this new pop-up on your screen. Please don't click on this option ever. Otherwise, your subscription will restart again. So that's how you can cancel Kajabi subscription. And that's all for this video.